if you make a, I'm so sorry, I forgot to record this session. Okay, okay. Aparna, if you are trying to make it from metal, if you will make that headgear, it will take a lot of time if you want to add things to it, because it will be one wire only, right? They will give you just
Yeah.
1 meter of metal wire. They won't give you
Oh
so
yeah,
much
that's
of
less.
metal wire. So try to focus on making wire as your top things, where you add flowers or things like that, and then you start. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll also repeat it once more. Wait
Ma'am,
till.
I have a doubt as well. So,
Yes.
yes. So I have a doubt as well. Like, suppose I want to make it like a cap, the cap which has a like this, and I don't know
Yes.
what is it
Yes.
called.
You will have to make a semicircle and then fold it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Understood? Like you make a semicircle. 1 second, I'll just show you. So you cut a semicircle like this, and then you will have to do it like this. Understood? This is just a small piece that I have made. So you will take a
Yes.
semicircle, then fold it and then stick it. But you will have to take flaps, because with stapler it's easy to stick, but you'll have to make flaps in the semicircle on the sides.
Okay, I
Okay?
got that part. What about the, I mean, the thing
The
that
thing,
covers the head?
yeah, so
Yeah.
you make this base, you make the base with a small thing and then add strips. That is what you will have to do, because they won't give you a paper which will, like, automatically become like a fabric. So try to take
Mm-hmm.
strips of paper and then attach it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
guys,
you.
just give me 1 minute. I'm just putting my laptop on charge. Okay, yes, next. Anyone else who has done it? Okay, so people who are watching, I will share the screen once again, because okay, so what we are doing today is we are doing headgears. Now headgears can be in shape of hat, they can be a bandana, they can be a scarf, they can be any kind of thing that fits on your head. It can be for different occasions. It can be for, your bridal thing, where you are adding a lot of flowers and making it look like more oriental. It can be for a fashion show, where you take a lot of different kind of abstract shapes and make it according to the theme. It can be like a halo which is at the back of your head. You can make it for kids, and give it a theme. You can add a cone and then add different kind of shapes. Headgears are used widely for queens or the royals, so I think it can be a theme as well if it has to come. You can make hats out of headgear. You can create a lot of geometric shapes. um, you can make it like a headband, do origami, kirigami on it. You can take a pin and do it, make it at the end of your head and try to create a structure. You can take a lot of cones and try to convert it into a spherical ball shape kind of a thing and then give it structure. Tiaras are also called headgears. So you from soap, like we have taught you soap carving, you can make a lot of gems and try to put it or stick it as a base. Um you can add a lot of textures while you are doing these headgears that we have taught you in paper texture techniques. You can crumple, you can cut strips of paper and then stick them in a form, keeping in mind an emotion. You can add a lot of glitter or other kind of paper that you find. These are few examples of the students which have made. Tejaswini made one like this. We have Pariza who made one like this. Chandrika did this, and Neha did this one. I want you all who have done this before to uplift your own self. Try to make something which is not your comfort zone, so that you can come out from that space. If you like paper more, try to do it with soap. If you like soap, try to do with metal. Try to shift your materials also, so that you are comfortable with all. Your homework is either a bird inspired headgear or a geometric shape inspired headgear. Here are few examples again I am showcasing. which is you need to either emphasize on something and create a lot of elements to add in your headgear that goes with the topic. You can make a lot of quilling, feathering. You can use the shape of a net mesh. You can make a bird from metal wires. You can make it like how fighters used to wear on the nose, in the ear. It can be all connected as well. It can be covered. It can be a place for. The Panchika is always late to class. Okay, it can be this kind of shape where you are trying to give it shape of a cap and then adding things up. These are few examples that I showed you. Take inspiration, search a lot about when did headgear design start, what happened in Renaissance period, what were people wearing in Victorian era, how are headgears in different countries like France, how are headgears in India, we wear it on our weddings. Imagine how would in Europe or Italy, how would the headgears look like? So try to research and look into ideas of different countries, different cultures that inspired you, different mediums, like try to see how headgears of police department look like, or how are headgears of doctors, how are headgears of musicians, so that it gives you inspiration. Please try to be innovative. Don't stick to the normal ones that I have shown you. Please, I know you all can do better, so try to stick to your creative side. And like I have said, we have done write up classes. Take design brief, take the materials, write up sketches. All of you posted pictures because in my template it was a picture. I told you it was, the heading was concept sketches. So do the sketches and then post the picture. The timeline for this test or this homework is, it's not a test, it's a homework, is till tomorrow morning 12. Before 12, I want to see one piece of headgear with proper base, and you will send me a picture either on your head or on someone's head, so that I am sure that someone is wearing it. Good. Yashasvi, I can see you have done it. You have done the base. He's still sticking. Varshita, I can see you have made a really nice one. Show me. Where is Varshita? You need to unmute. What happened to this? You got stuck. Good.
Okay.
But you have used staplers.
Yeah.
Okay,
I can
quick.
change it.
Yes, but this is good. You have done Chinese folding and it's in a spiral shape. Good.
Thank you.
I like it. Please improvise it. Good.
Yeah.
Who else? Shivani is still looking just today. I will also look at Shivani.
Anurag is raising hand, Rimjim.
Anurag, yes. You want to ask a question or you are chatting with someone? Okay. Okay, this one, good. Does it fit on your head? Yes. Okay, guys, can you all wear your things on your head so that I know it's fitting? If you want, I can do it too. Is it fitting? Neha, तुम्हारा तो गिरने वाला है. Aparna, how much time? Tejaswini, Pramod, okay, it's wearing. Deep Vanshika, as usual, entering at the end of the class. Very good.
I had connection error, ma'am. It was not working.
Okay. Good. No problem. You are very brilliant. I know you will do it without classes also.
I will try.
Nandini, Sushma, Surbhi, Tejaswini, do you have your headgears base? Because I can see the bases of rest of everyone on video. Yes, Surbhi's is done. Good. You have added a shape also to it. Good. Tejaswini, Nandini, are you sleeping on this class? Nandini will not. Are you replying? Are you not replying? Not unmuting also. Sushma, are you doing it?
Yeah. I did it.
Okay. Okay, rest everyone I have seen and is looking really pretty and nice and beautiful. Keep it up. Please make the sketches and add the textures to this. Yes, Shivani, you have a question. By mistake, did you do it?
Yeah. I was
Okay.
like, oh, what's this?
Okay.
Also, I don't know, I like this. It's simple, but I'm like, oh, it looks good.
No, if you want to keep it like different, that is just on this side, you can like work on that.
Yeah.
But for all this, we will have to sketch first. Without sketching, nothing will happen. Varshita, it's looking good. Harshini, where is yours? I can't see yours. I think Harshini's network is stuck again. Krishna, I can see yours. Good work. Aparna, क्या हो रहा है? अभी तक फेविकॉल ही नहीं लगी. Okay, good. Okay, at the back. Tejaswini also did. Ria? Okay. So,
Ma'am, I've added a slit instead of Fevicol. Is that fine?
yes, slit is fine. If you add a slit and you put it inside together, that is also fine. Just make sure when you add the elements, it doesn't fall. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Guys, so don't go away from your table. In another 30 minutes, send me the sketch on the group. Okay? So that I can finalize it. Now you have your base of the shape. Sketch the your idea and design, put it on the group so that I can approve it. Okay, and by 12 tomorrow morning I want the homework done. Okay, then tomorrow we have another class. Okay guys, chalo, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Don't move from your tables and work.